Hello everybody, this is our video number 7 on the same topic, the pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay? And in this video, we will solve some problem from the exercise 3.4 from your NCERT. Okay? So, this exercise 3.4 contain the two type of problem. The first, the some pair of linear equation are given and find out the solutions with help of a particular method. This name of this method is called the elimination method, and this elimination method is nothing but the second method of the algebraic method to solve any pair of linear equations. Okay, so each and every problem of this exercise 3.4 is based on a particular method. The name of this method is elimination. The elimination method. Okay. So first consider a problem from the exercise 3.4. 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. You already know what is the procedure of the substitution method and how to get to use this substitution method to find out the solution of any pair of linear equations. So today in this video we will only concern about our new method or second method, that is the elimination method. So question number 1. Given pair of linear equation x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, and the next one 2x minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So this is the given pair of linear equation, and suppose we let this our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So how to process to execute this particular method? So elimination method means remove something. Okay, so the fundamental concept of this method is, first we know that any linear equations is contained in this exercise. As per this chapter, each and every pair of linear equation is in two variables. That means each and every linear equation contains the two variables. So our task is, at first we try to equal coefficient of any of the variables or of both the equations. So if you consider that these equations, the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1, and if you consider the second one, the coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of y is minus 3. So our first step is try to equate any of the coefficient of any of variable in between the x and y, x or y, for the both equations. So what is the procedure to how to equal the coefficient of either x or y in both the equations? To multiply the sum non-zero value with the equation 1 or 2 or both. So next step is for equating the any coefficient of any variable in between the x and y, we multiply a non-zero constant with the first equations or second equation or both. So, if you consider the first one for this problem, if this equation 1 is multiplied by 2, so equation 1 by 2, we get 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and suppose it is our equation number 3. So for the equal or equate the two coefficient of any of one variable in between the both the equations, we apply the multiplications method. So equation 1 multiplied by the 2, we get this linear equation, and this time the coefficient of x is 2 for this equations, and if you consider the second one, the coefficient of x is both are equal. After that, we perform either additions in between these 2 and 3 or subtractions to eliminate this 2x term and convert this new linear equations in one variables. So apply subtraction in between equation 2 and 3. Okay, so 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and the 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. After applying the subtraction method in between 2, that means it is minus, it is plus, it is minus. Okay, so this time cancel this 2 term, and this one plus means it is 5y is equal to 6. So that means value of y is equal to 6 by 5. Okay, so after performing the subtraction in between the equation 2 and 3, one variable that means the variable x is eliminated from both the linear equations, and after that the final result, it is also produce a linear equation, but this time this linear equation contain only one variable, that is the 5y is equal to 6. Okay, after finding the value of y is equal to 6 by 5, put the value of y in the either equation 1 or equation 2 and get the value of x. So put y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation 1. Okay, and we get, so x plus 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Okay, and from this we can write 5 minus 6 by 5. That means the x is equal to 25 minus 6 by 5. That means value of x is nothing but the 90 by 5. After find out the value of x and y, for the verifications put the value in place of xy of the left hand side of the equation 1 or equation 2. So after putting the value 6 by 5 plus 19 by 5, it is produced 25 by 5 and the final result is 5. That means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. This time for this we conclude that our solution is absolutely right. So this is the total procedure of this elimination method. Okay. So the solution for this particular pair of linear equations, the x equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. This is our answer. And in this way, if you follow this same procedure, it is applicable for all the problem for the question number 1. In the exercise 3.4. After that, form the pair of linear equations in following problems and find their solutions by the elimination method. This is same as our previous one. This time, these exercises also contain the two types of problem. The first one, the given pair of linear equations, and find out the solutions of all those given pair of linear equations with help of the substitution method. This time is elimination method. And the next second type also contain the problem sum. First, read each and every questions and with the help of the given informations, first construct the appropriate pair of linear equations for this problem and then solve this pair of linear equation using the substitution method or elimination method. And this time each and every problem are solved with the help of elimination method. Next class we will discuss this type of problem from exercise 3.4. So that's all for the today's lecture. Thank you everybody.